Whether or not the market's up too much, I think, is the wrong question to ask. I think it's at what point do you need to make sure that your own personal finance is being reflected in market conditions. So now could be a good time to rebalance your portfolio. Ask yourself, is now a good time to sell Facebook? Is now a good time to buy Microsoft? Where does it fit in my portfolio? What is it expected to do for me? And if you're just saying, well, I want it because the stock could go up, that's not good enough, because maybe you have enough technology exposure. So we really need to discuss what's the point? How does it fit with your overall portfolio? And how would you feel if it went down? Would it hurt your net worth? Would it hurt your ability to retire? What would it do to you regarding other investments in terms of would it force you mentally to sell everything, make a hasty decision? We can't control what Meta or Google or Microsoft, what they're going to do, but we can control what we do now ahead of time so that we know how to react when things happen. The reaction that I want my clients to have when the stuff hits the fan is no reaction, because they were proactive already. That is the best thing, in my opinion.